2,500 हायवे बार्रांचो फुडार धडना. एक्सायज खात्याच्या रिपोर्टात आतां मेरेन 500 मिटरां भितरले 1,900 बार्रांचे लिस्ट जालां. मडगांव आनी फोंडें तालुको सोडल्यार चडशे तालुक्यांचे रिपोर्ट एक्सायजीचे तालुका समित्यांनी तयार केल्यात. राज्य पावंड्यावेले समितीन तांकां 28 फेब्रुवारी मेरेन फायनल रिपोर्टाक प्राझ दिला. हायवे वेल्ले बार्रांचे बोर्ड काडपाची मोहीम नेटान चल्ल्या म्हूण एक्सायज आयुक्त उलयलो.
राष्ट्रीय आनी राज्य महामार्गावसावन 500 मिटरांचेर आशिल्ल्या सोऱ्याच्या दुकानांचेर सुप्रीम कोर्टान बंदी घाल्या. सुमार 2,500 सोऱ्याच्या दुकानांचे धड ना. कोर्टाचो आदेश चालीक लावपाचे दिशेन तयारी करूंक सरकारान समिती नेमल्या. ते शिवाय हायवे कडची बार्रां साल्वार करूं येता काय ताचोय सरकारी पावंड्यार यत्न चल्ला. गाबो समितीची बिरेस्तारा पणजेंत दुसरी मिटींग जाली. सगळे तालुक्यांक आपलो सर्वे पूर्ण करपाक 28 फेब्रुवारी मेरेन प्राझ आसा. फोंडें आनी मडगांवाक आनीक वेळ जाय म्हूण मागताले, मात थारावन दिल्ल्या वेळा भितर तो पूर्ण करचो म्हूण अबकारी खात्यान तांकां सांगलां. गरज पडल्यार चड टिमी धाडात. ज्यादा एक्सायज ऑफिसर दिवंकूय खातें खंय तयार आसा.
आयज मिटींग घेतल्या ती आमी दिस इज अ मिटींग ऑफ द कोर कमिटी. सो टुडे वी हॅव मेट द सेकंड टायम आफ्टर द कमिटी हॅज फॉर्म. एवरी फोर्टनाइट वी आर सपोज टू मीट and see the implementation of the order of the Supreme Court. So we have actually assessed how much is the inspection done on ground. More or less, I think one taluka has finished capping, but we are waiting the full final report. Similarly, Margaon and Ponda, I think they're a little bit more, so they require some time. We'll put additional teams on that. And second part is that once we get all the data, we'll go ahead with issue of show cause notices. I'm thinking February 20th was in So more or less, see, some of the talukas have finished, like one Penne has finished. Only they are waiting the report because we have to get the survey reports also. So that they will compile, say, within another 2 or 3 days and send it to us.
हायवेचेर अजून काय बार्राचे बोर्ड आसात म्हूण कागाळी आयल्यात. ते बोर्ड पंचायत वा पालिकांच्या आदारान काडचे म्हूण सांगलां.
Second part what we have discussed is removal of signages and advertisement on the roads. So because we have brought it to the notice of the Director of Panchayats and the Director of Municipal Administration that still we are receiving complaints that boards are still on the roads. So we have told them that you have to strictly implement it, and we have told the police authorities in case they notice any board or any signages which shows availability of liquor, they should be removed forthwith. So take that matter to the Director of Panchayat, the Municipal Administration, and with their assistance immediately remove it. So we should not receive any complaint from anyone that it is still existing. So this was another issue discussed in the meeting.
आतां मेरेन गोंयांत हायवे लागसार 500 मिटरां भितर अशीं 1,900 बार्रां तालुको समित्यांक मेळ्ळ्यात. हो आंकडो 2,500 मेरेन पावूं येता.
So we have now altogether around I think 1,900 सुमार आयडेंटिफाय जालेले आहा. पेंड ओवरऑल.
ओके.
So daily basis आमी तेंकडच्यान रिपोर्ट घेता कित्याक time is very limited. So by 28th we have given them a time limit, so they have finished by that.
अदमास कितली असतली बार्राची?
2,500 2,500. जे 500 मिटर्सान येता, irrespective of whether it is a 5-star or whether it is a 3-star, all will come. Because the interpretation of the order is that all licenses for sale of liquor. So wherever licenses for sale of liquor has been granted and they come within this 500, we have identified those.
पुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर लौकिक शिलकार आनी निलेश परवर.
एक खेप टायम कमी आशिल्ल्यान पणजे कार्निवलाचो रूट बदलपाक मेळना. गरज पडल्यार फुडल्या खेप रूट बदलतले म्हूण पणजे महापालिकेचो कमिशनर सांगता. मॉडिफाय केल्ल्या गाड्यांचो जर लोकांक कितेंय धोका आसत जाल्यार त्या गाड्यांक पणजेच्या कार्निवल परेडीत वांटो घेवंक मेळचो ना. पणजेची महापालिका आनी ट्राफिक सेलान मिडियाक कार्निवलाचो प्लान सांगलो.
Panaji is celebrating Carnival 2017 on 25th, that is Saturday. Now, as you are aware that the route, traditional route we have keep up. Earlier we tried to shift the route from this city route to Miramar, Dana Paula, but because of many difficulty we are not able to do that. So now same route will be remain at Saturday. Flag off will be at 3:30 in the hands of Chief Secretary of Government of Goa. We have all set up for this. Till now we have received about 57 entries for the floats, different type of. Now these prizes will not be given after the float parade. it will be declared, and we are giving them the certificate that they have got, and this will go to GTDC, and they will able to collect it from the GTDC. That is it. So there is no price distribution after the end of the float.
There is a category called junk vehicles. If we find that the vehicle is actually modified and dangerous to be brought in public, then we have, in the screening committee itself, we have got a RTO officer, and we will not allow that.
Magistrate.
All traffic which is coming from Panjim or from the north side, they are requested to park their vehicles at first at Pato Plaza, that side you can park. Then there are various new building parking lot has come up, you can park there. It is walking distance after that. So we request the general public to make full use of the multiple parking available in the city. You can park there and you can walk in front of on the DBB mark. Now traffic which is coming from the south of Panjim can come via GMC side Miramar and witness the parade from the city side.
Give a break.